Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lead follow-up using Follow-Up Boss, full guide step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your Follow-Up Boss account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your leads. In the left-hand menu, click on the Leads tab to view the lead list. Identify the leads you want to follow up with by using filters if necessary. Select a lead by clicking on their name to open their profile. Review any previous interactions and notes related to the lead. Determine the next action you want to take for this lead. To add a note or follow-up task, click on the Add Note or Add Task option in their profile. Fill in the details of your follow-up note or task. Be specific about the follow-up date and time if creating a task. Save your note or task to ensure it's recorded in the system. You can also send an email directly from the lead's profile. Click on the Send Email button to open the email interface. Compose your message, keeping it concise and tailored to the lead's needs. Review your email for clarity and professionalism before sending. If you prefer to make a call, utilize the integration features for calling directly from Follow-Up Boss. Track any calls made and input call notes for future reference. Use the Follow-Up Boss Smart Lists feature to automate your follow-up process. Create smart lists based on criteria such as lead status or follow-up date. Schedule regular check-ins with leads through the task management system. Set reminders for follow-ups to ensure no lead is overlooked. Regularly review your lead list to adapt your follow-up strategy. Monitor response rates to refine your follow-up approach over time. Adjust your communication style based on the lead's responses and preferences. Engage with leads consistently to build rapport and trust. Utilize the reporting features to assess the success of your follow-up efforts. Analyze what methods yield the best results for your specific audience. Keep learning and adapting your strategies as you gather more data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.